Okay, so here is a quick overview of this 9-inch Apple CarPlay Android Auto device here that was sent to me. It is connected to a USB-C here, which just runs down and into my cigarette port lighter. It's also connected to my phone, and my phone is connected to the car stereo, but it can also connect to the device as well. So it's connected to both the car and the device. That the swipe function, this is like, it shows like some of the app in my phone, doesn't show all the apps. So I have the Google Map here, I have Pandora. I can literally just play the music here. It does not allow you to scroll like that, but you can skip. You can have access to all your contacts, your messages, podcasts, all your apps on your phone. And if you tap this button, it takes you to the menu. You have AirPlay. You can mirror the phone screen. And then you have CarPlay if you have an Apple, and then you have Android Auto if you have a Samsung. Here's the volume adjustment and the brightness adjustment, and then tapping this settings button over here will give you further access to the menu, such as like the firmware version, screensaver, all of these tiny little things that you can adjust. And then here's the auto dimming for when you're driving at night. You don't want it to be like extremely bright. That's pretty much there is to it. It's a really easy setup. You just mount it to the dash, to the windshield, and then you just connect it to your power supply, and that's it.